The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar especially is serious areas of strength for Truly, so they for the most part thought. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents in an unobtrusive way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo fundamentally is floating at $1,280,561, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents, which by and large is very critical. Nexo down roughly 1.27% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in every practical sense, enormous way. 24 September 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these oftentimes generally clarified some things, facts. What explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, in a real sense is Nexo a truly wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth in an extremely enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, by and large, let us really discuss the genuinely current economic situations. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281. So yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Nexo specialized examination, by and large let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $17,771,514,007, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how Nexo down roughly 1.27% inside the most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, pretty further appearance how market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281. So yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, generally let us most certainly discuss the very current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span, showing how which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in every practical sense, huge way. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.24 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, so Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents, or so they essentially thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a sort of descending course for exceptionally present moment, which certainly shows that these occasions really show that the market most certainly is going in every way that really matters, descending heading for extremely present moment, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, an especially broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which truly shows that right now, a for the most part broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Support really is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Nexo down roughly 1.27% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers by and large become move certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is very critical. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo. Nexo execution. The in every way that really matters, current Nexo cost explicitly is 55 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,280,561 and the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which generally is very critical. As of now, Nexo in every practical sense is somewhere around 1.27% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $310,504,340 United States dollars, exhibiting that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere around 1.24 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, so Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents, which truly is very critical. Nexo Value Examination. Nexo Cost Investigation for 24 September 2023. Inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, showing that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume really remains at $17,771,514,007 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving all things considered, normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Nexo. Showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo especially has break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things basically are not looking really great for the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. Right now, explicitly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively really take Nexo cost underneath the critical help level of 82 cents, which by and large shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.8% coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours. Exceptionally further appearance how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,43861,656,281, so yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, by and large, let us truly discuss the extremely current economic situations. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and sort of is attempting to sort of break out of the lack of bias zone, so XRP the genuinely local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, so Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents, or so they by and large thought. While Nexo's Williams %R marker essentially is at 52.8